Hello everyone and welcome back to a brand new video on my channel. So I had recently received a comment by a person asking me, so you can see this on the screen, asking me to make a video about the importance of object in Java. Although there are many spelling errors, I'll take that. Let me start with making the video. So the recording is happening actually 1 hour after I received the comment, even though I saw it after 7 or 8 minutes. So please don't feel that bad that I've not been attentive. So let's check what we have got. So why do we need an object in Java? So I have an image to help you people understand why do we need an object. So this is the scenario without an object. So on one side we have the block of code and another side we have a Java compiler, but they won't be able to meet unless we have a object. So this is the scenario with an object. So the block of code will be able to access the compiler, or let me say the compiler will be able to access the block of code. So by creating an object, we let or we allow the code to access or communicate with the compiler. By creating an object, you establish a communication between the code and the compiler. You can simply use the static keyword while making a method, or follow the syntax in the later of this video to make an object. So I've made a program with three different methods. I've named the program as object, and one is the main method with the static keyword. One is a method with the object created, and the last one is a method without any object. I'll compile the program. Let us check what happens on taking an individual output of all of these. So on the output screen, let's go with void main. So we get the good evening. Here we want to execute the syntax, so we have to go with new object. Let's name it as object 1. Okay, then now we have invalid and syntax. So syntax we get good evening, okay, and invalid we should be getting the same. Yeah, so this is why you need an object, or as I told, you can use the static keyword. The problem with this is that whenever you're not using the syntax keyword, you'll have to make the object again and again. For example, let me just close the window. So I've reloaded this project, and then if I open the editor, the code is same, but the object has gone. So we have to make a new object another time, and I guess this is a lot of tedious work. So you should be good if you stick with this static keyword. You have to give the static keyword while making the object, and yeah, you can give an access specifier. So let me not confuse you. In your ninth standard textbook, this is the format, but it doesn't make much difference if you don't use the keyword. So one final time, let me just show you how to make an object. You have to click on OK. Now with using this object, we can inherit those classes which do not have the static keyword. Thank you for watching. The whole program will be in the link in description. See you in the next video. Bye bye and stay safe till then.